In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table in Notion. If you're organizing notes, project plans, or databases in Notion, copying a table can save you a lot of time. Instead of rebuilding the same structure from scratch, you can simply duplicate the table content you already have and place it wherever you need it. This is especially useful when you want to reuse a layout in another section of the same page or in a different page entirely. To get started, go to your Notion page where the table is located. Make sure you're on the page that contains the table you want to copy and give yourself a moment to confirm that it's the correct one. This helps avoid copying the wrong content, especially if you have multiple tables on the page. Next, click and highlight the table you'd like to copy. Be sure the table itself is selected properly so that Notion recognizes the content you want to duplicate. Taking a second to confirm the full table is highlighted can help prevent incomplete pasting later on. If your table contains several rows or columns, it's a good idea to visually check that everything you need is included before moving on. Once the table is selected, copy it using your keyboard. On Windows, press Ctrl and C at the same time. On a Mac, press Command and C. This sends the selected table to your clipboard so it's ready to be pasted. If nothing seems to happen, that's normal. Copying usually doesn't create a visible change right away. The important thing is that the selection was active when you used the shortcut. After that, click into the place where you want to add the copied table. This could be another spot on the same Notion page or a completely different page, depending on where you want the table to appear. Make sure your cursor is positioned exactly where you want the pasted table to go, because Notion will insert it at that location, then paste the table using your keyboard. On Windows, press Ctrl and V. On a Mac, press Command and V. Your copied table should now appear in the new location. And that's it. You've successfully copied a table in Notion. If you need to reuse the same information structure multiple times, this quick copy and paste method is one of the easiest ways to stay efficient and keep your workspace consistent.